Today we're diving deep into the Wochel power cable, designed specifically for the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor Battery 2nd generation. If you're tired of constantly swapping out batteries or dealing with Nest Cam shutting down, this 30-foot weatherproof cable might just be the solution you've been looking for. Before we get started, I want to remind you we have compiled customer reviews from all over the internet, so you don't have to. This is what they are saying about the Wochel power cable. First, let's talk about compatibility. It is crucial to note that this cable is exclusively designed for the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor Battery 2nd generation. This cable will not work with the original Nest Cam Outdoor 1st generation, Nest Cam IQ, or any other Nest devices. This specialization is important because it ensures a snug and secure fit, optimizing the charging efficiency and overall performance of your compatible Nest Cam. The Wochel power cable boasts a generous 30-foot or 9.1-meter extension, offering considerable flexibility in positioning your camera, whether indoors or outdoors. This length is particularly beneficial if your power outlet is not conveniently located near your desired camera placement. Customer feedback indicates that this length is generally adequate, although some users have expressed a desire for even more varied length options, such as 10, 15, 20, or 25-foot variants, to minimize cable clutter. Ease of use is a significant advantage of this power cable. The simple plug-and-play design allows you to connect the USB cable to your Nest Cam and then plug the charging adapter into a standard outlet. The design facilitates a straightforward setup process, even for those with limited technical expertise. Positive user reviews frequently highlight the ease of installation, making it an appealing option for a broad spectrum of users. Weatherproof capabilities are crucial for any outdoor camera accessory, and the Wochel power cable addresses this need with a strong magnetic charging head. This design ensures a tight fit into the camera's charging port, effectively preventing rain from penetrating and potentially damaging the connection. While the magnetic connection appears robust, long-term durability in harsh weather conditions remains a key factor to consider. Certifications, specifically UL and FCC, provide an additional layer of assurance regarding the safety and reliability of this product. The built-in safeguards offer multiple protections against overcurrent, overheating, overvoltage, and short-circuiting, thereby minimizing the risk of electrical hazards. These certifications are a testament to the manufacturer's commitment to adhering to established safety standards. Examining user feedback reveals a mix of positive and negative experiences. Many users praise the product for resolving battery life issues, particularly in scenarios where the Nest Cam is used for continuous monitoring. These users appreciate the convenience of not having to frequently dismount the camera for recharging. Several users commend the included wire clips, which facilitate a clean and organized installation, especially on wooden surfaces. However, some users have reported significant issues with the cable's charging capabilities over time. There are claims that the cable fails to provide sufficient power to keep the camera consistently charged, leading to the camera's battery eventually draining despite being plugged in. Some users suspect that these knockoff cords do not provide the required power output compared to the original equipment manufacturer, OEM cables. This issue raises concerns about the long-term reliability and effectiveness of the Wochel power cable as a continuous power solution. Some users have noted compatibility issues with auxiliary mounts. The straight design of the cable head may interfere with certain mounts, particularly those designed with an angled plug clearance. In some instances, users have had to modify their mounts to accommodate the cable, which may not be feasible or desirable for all users. This issue underscores the importance of considering the cable's design in relation to existing mounting hardware. Other users reported that the cable provided was too short and an additional extension cord was needed, costing them additional money. A few users have highlighted the size of the USB power brick, noting that it is somewhat larger than desired. While this does not necessarily impede functionality, it can be a minor inconvenience, particularly when used in covered outdoor outlets where space may be limited. The UV resistance claim is another aspect that requires long-term evaluation. While initial impressions may be positive, the true test of UV resistance will be how well the cable withstands prolonged exposure to sunlight and other environmental factors over an extended period. Based on customer feedback, the major pros are the generous cable length, which provides flexibility in camera placement. Easy-to-use plug-and-play design simplifies the installation process. Weatherproof design protects the charging port from rain and moisture. UL and FCC certifications ensure safety and reliability. Many users find it solves battery life issues, allowing for continuous camera operation. Included wire clips facilitate organized installation. On the other hand, the cons are potential charging issues reported by some users, with claims of the cable not providing sufficient power over time. Incompatibility with certain auxiliary mounts due to the straight cable head design. Limited length options may not suit all installation scenarios. Some users find the USB power brick to be somewhat large. Long-term UV resistance remains to be fully verified. The Wochel power cable offers a practical solution for users seeking to eliminate battery-related limitations with their Google Nest Cam outdoor or indoor battery, second generation. The generous cable length, ease of use, and weatherproof design are notable advantages. However, potential charging issues reported by some users and compatibility concerns with certain mounts should be carefully considered. The UL and FCC certifications provide assurance regarding safety, but long-term reliability remains a key factor to monitor. Keep in mind that Google has stated the outdoor Nest Cam has poor battery life in extreme weather. So, in conclusion, the Wochel power cable can be a worthwhile investment for extending the functionality of your Nest Cam, but potential buyers should weigh the reported issues and ensure compatibility with their specific setup and mounting hardware. Remember to check out the product at the link in the description and support the channel.